We're trying to think of ways to involve children in the everyday process of learning how to grow food, more than just saying, well, there's going to be farmer lots. Remember under Coleman Young we had farmer lots, and remember they had some over in Elmwood before they built all those townhouses, and kids learned how to grow vegetables and have their own, and then hopefully somebody helped them go home and cook them and eat them. Rather than depending on every child having access to a community garden, having every child systemically have access in their school. If you make it a systemic thing and everyone's doing it, then you know at least the vast majority of children are going to get exposed. They could grow food for some of their own school lunches, I mean, if the operation got big enough. But it would teach them how to grow food and give them fresh food to eat and let them see how enjoyable it is. Ask Detroit, and that's a systemic change. That would be a systemic change that would affect all children. Detroit Public Schools itself, institutionally, to offer healthy, fresh, prepared, locally grown, produced food in schools. Now, this was a real interesting discussion because the woman was there who plans the menus, and I thought, boy, is she powerful. Lovely, nicest woman you'd ever meet. And she talked about, we were so lucky, we got a $250,000 grant, she didn't say from whom, to purchase fresh fruits and vegetables. Yes, a federal grant at the last April, in the last quarter of the school, to get fresh fruits and vegetables. We were so excited, and we went out and we got fresh fruits and vegetables. And so I was like, for one quarter, I mean, $250,000 for 80,000 children is not that much money. What's that? $3 a kid. So I said, how much is the budget for the whole food budget in the year? And she gave me some astronomical number, you know, 56 million, I don't know what it was. And I said, why wouldn't fruits and vegetables be a significant part of that if the research is saying they're supposed to have 15 servings of fruits and vegetables a day? And that includes, you know, eating this piece of cantaloupe or having an apple. And she really didn't answer that question. I said, what percentage of the food budget is spent on fresh fruits and vegetables? And she sort of answered with, they try to cut costs and they go with what's economical. Wasn't that her answer? Yep. And they do try to do what's healthy, but sometimes they end up with what's not. So I think systemic change in the menus that are prepared, it should be radical. It should be radical change. It can't be just tweaking around the edges.